Are you aware of is possible to cure many health conditions? Diabetic mellitus, hypothyroidism is possible to reversal. High blood pressure is possible to bring normal. Many health conditions like heart diseases, back pain, neck pain is possible to cure. Yes, it's true by yoga. So we developed Vishy therapeutic healing yoga. By this method, 100% reversal or cure or improving the disease is possible. Let us start action. Just pay 46 rupees for 2 hours. Within 2 hours, I am teaching many secrets of healing. Many secrets I am teaching to you. Yes, it is true. Just click the button and enter to WhatsApp group. We will guide you, we will direct you. I am Dr. Venkatesh from Vishwa Poornima Yoga Center. 30 years of teaching, coaching and guiding thousands of people. More than 50,000 students we trained. More than 10,000 happy families we created. Our vision is more than 50 lakh happy families we have to create in this mission. So we are ready to train you many healing secrets, bring happiness to your family. Let's start action.